Hiya, 7th of December. Merlin's getting ready to help again. Okay, let's start with the rituals one. Right, find where the hole is. Where does it go? There we are. Oh, it's a really long one. Really, really long one. What have we got? Let's have a look. Right, it's a rituals nail file. Not very exciting today, unfortunately. What does Merlin think? Where's a little chew? There's a little chew bee. Where's it go? Where's it go? Where's it go? Around, 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 around. Okay, now Marx's. Is this going to be wrapped up in paper? No, not today. So, right, an Ultra Sun cream for face. Sadly, we've got quite a long way to go before we're going to be using that again, aren't we? Can't wait till the summer comes. I really dislike the winter. But I don't tend to get very sunburnt, so I'm very lucky like that. Just go nice brown colour. What do you think of this one, Bee? Disappointing because it's in the middle of winter. Yeah, you tell it. Middle of winter, don't give me this suntan lotion nonsense. That's it. Right, so next one. Should be a lippy this time. Oops. Right, it's a soft matte lip cream in Transylvania. That is really dark. Really dark. Merlin's still playing with the suntan lotion. What do you think of this one? Okie doke. Right, let's do a quick swatch. 1 minute. Gosh, that is really, really dark. They smell so nice. They smell really sweet. I can't see me using this one. It's far too dark unless I'm going to a fancy dress party or something. But that is ridiculously dark. Do you want to play with it instead then? Not really. Prefer giving that suntan lotion a go, didn't you? Right, so cheesy joke time. Right, let's see what rubbish we got now. What happens when you drop a snowball into a glass of water? It gets wet. I think whoever wrote those jokes was a bit wet and all. Chucky time. And say goodnight, Merlin, because it's time to go to the pub. 3 days off work. Yay!